pull down. So pull down when you're, yeah, pull down now. Pull down. Good. Good. 2 more. Pull down. Yep. 1 more. Good. Okay, Mike. Good. Imagine pulling down a little bit more from your hip. Pull. There you go. Good. Good. 2 more. Here we go. Good. And rotate that heel on the last kick. That hip. Get that hip in there. Good. 1 more. 1 more. Good.